everyone, welcome. I hope that you're doing really well today. Today I'm coming to you with my January favorites, first favorites of 2019. I'm also going to be adding some not so muches that I've tried, gotten a better feel of through the month. Maybe I wouldn't recommend them so quickly. So if you're interested in my thoughts and my favorites and my not so muches for the month of January, then please keep watching. Foundations. I have been using my Makeup Revolution foundation again so much. I just love this foundation. I can put it on in the morning and honestly, honest to goodness, I can forget about it all day and it is going to stay exactly where I put it, exactly, and look fresh all day. And even my bronzer, my blush, my highlight really last nicely with this foundation. I just love it. Another foundation that I played around with on and off when I was battling why my skin was acting so dry was my Neutrogena. I had not used my Neutrogena Hydro Boost in so long. I forgot which colors I used. I really had a lot of fun with this foundation when it came out, but I'm telling you, the colors are so close to being alike. It was really kind of hard. I think I probably have 5 or 6 shades. And here's another one. And I was like, I don't remember which color I used the most of. And I remembered that I could tell because I took the plunger out. Because the plunger, it would take you 30 minutes to sit and swipe it on your face. But this is my main color with no self-tan. It's number 40 Nude. And this is number 60 Natural Beige. And really, I mean, they're pretty close color-wise for there to be 20 numbers in between. They're kind of close. But this number 40 Nude is like my perfect when I'm not tanning color. Took the plunger out of that one too. Really pretty on my skin. But this really is a good one. I need to keep this out more top shelf so I have it right here to use and have a lot of fun with. This is new. This is new, but I'm telling you, I have not stopped using it since I bought it, and it is fabulous. It is fabulous. This is new from number 7. This is the Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum Foundation. This is going to reduce the appearance of lines. This is going to even out your skin tone, and it is going to give your skin a more firm appearance. Now, don't get too excited. It didn't say it was going to make you look 30 years younger, but it really is pretty on the skin. I have this on today. It's listed as a medium coverage foundation. I do feel that I get at least a medium out of it. Maybe I have a boo-boo on my hand, I'm sorry. Maybe a medium plus. It just depends on how you apply it. I tried my first impressions. I'll link that down below. Where's my wipe? I'll link my first impressions down below. I will say that in that first impressions, I used a brush on one side, a beauty sponge on the other. I think with the beauty sponge, I used 2.5 pumps, and with the brush, I used 1. That's not uncommon for a serum foundation. This is really kind of thick for a serum foundation. Now, I will tell you that this wears nice. It looks fresh. I like the way it looks on my skin. So I am definitely having a lot of fun with that foundation. These are something that I have been using and trying out. I do have the NYX Pro Foundation Mixers, and I do enjoy those. Those come in a lot of different tones, so you can add what you need. Great for a makeup artist. These are just plain and simply a lightener and a darkener. They work really well without changing the consistency, the wear time, or anything of your foundations. And that is from CATRICE. Really do enjoy these. Inexpensive. I've even used them with my concealer and they work very nicely. I did purchase the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I like the foundation a lot. Really wanted to try the concealer and I do like it. The trick to this is less is best. Do not get too much of this on because it will crease. If you apply just a small amount and blend it in well, it is beautiful and it does last all day. It doesn't oxidize through the day and get almost an orange cast. It's really, really pretty. I really do enjoy this concealer. Something I have been so excited to be back on this month. kind of controversial. Some people really like it or they really don't. Everything works differently for everyone. I tried this when it first came out. Amazed by it. The results, everything. I loved it. It was crazy. And somebody that I really love and respect here that creates videos had shared something that she uses to grow her hair and her nails. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to quit taking this, try that, see what happens. I'm glad it works for her, but it did not work for me. My nails were peeling, they were breaking, they were splitting. So I went back and had started having my nails done again. It was just a hot mess. My hair wasn't as healthy. All that to say that I started back on the Halo Beauty Booster supplements. I love these so much. They work for me. I do know people that have tried them and they didn't work for them for one reason, for another. And you're going to have that with anything. I've never gotten the results for my hair, for my skin, for my nails as I have gotten from these. I took my artificial nails off not too long ago, and I had been on these for about 3.5 weeks. I had no peeling. I had no splitting. My nails are not thin. They're definitely not brittle. They just work so well for me. So I am super excited that I'm back on these because I love these so much. I have been trying so many things, and this is something that has really worked nicely for me. And I don't remember if I saw this like on an Instagram thing or if I saw it in a video. So if you're a creator of either Instagram or YouTube, or you posted it on Facebook, let me know, because I like to give credit where credit is due. But this is from ORLY, and this is the binder base coat. And I'm telling you, it really does create a sticky base coat. And I think it really does help keep my nail polish from chipping on the edges. I've had this on 3 days. Now this is a new nail polish system that I'm using, but I used this previously before I took my nails off this month, and it did really do a nice job in keeping my nail polish on. The new system that I'm talking about, it's not really like a system, but I didn't know what else to call it. It is from Sally Hansen. They released their new Mega Strength. I have the strengthener and I have the top coat. I've used each of these twice now. And then the nail polish, I got Get Paid, which I had on a couple weeks ago. I have Rule Breaker on right now. And this stayed on my nails for about 4 to 5 days. No chipping, no anything. Doing the awesome job of staying on my nails, especially my tips. My hands are constantly in the water, constantly handling dogs, constantly helping with my sister. Let's talk a little bit about eyeshadows real quick. Eyeshadows, I'm telling you, the biggest part of the month. I have used these. I have got to put these away. These are from Profusion. These are the holiday palettes. The Velvet Matte. I've hit pan on 2 of these already. These guys right here. I love these shadows. They are so nice. I don't know if they're still on Target. I will have to look and see. I might have to link them on Profusion. But they wear all day. They do not crease. They are lovely. And I used this is the NYX Swear By It. This is a really fun palette. The colors are very nice. They don't get muddy. They don't crease. They blend together. I've gotten some really pretty looks out of this. I used it today. And I've used this Sweet Nothing palette a lot this month. Really pretty. The colors. These are really nice palettes. I'm telling you. I don't hear people talk about these, but the pressed shadows that I've gotten from ColourPop are really nice. Something that I had gotten a while back, used a lot this month. Actually, I finished the conditioner and the shampoo is almost gone. And that is the L'Oreal Elvive Color Vibrancy Intensive Protecting Shampoo. Really good for drugstore. It made my hair look really full, really pretty. I enjoyed this a lot. Didn't notice hardly any color fading or pulling at all. So I really do like this. I love the Kristin S Working Texture Spray and the styling powder. Both of these feel like you have inflated your hair. You don't have any tackiness, not even with the powder, which is unbelievable. It just gives your hair lift and volume. Believe me, because I use that shampoo and conditioner, my hair just zhuzh it back up, and it is amazing. I love this whole line. It is amazing. It's at Target. It's between the $10 and $15 mark. Really good. And they smell so good. Okay, those are the things that I was most excited about, had the most good use of, and the most fun with. You have a really good day. Thank you so much for giving me some of your day. It really does mean a lot. Until the next time we can hang out, I will see you in the next video.